What's up, my YouTube friends? Welcome back to another video. Anyhow, happy Mother's Day to all of you, to all my YouTube friends, to everybody. Happy Mother's Day. And in honor of Mother's Day, I got on one of my mama's hats that she don't know I'm wearing, but don't worry about it, because by the time she find out, I'll have it off. So anyway, I think it's kind of cute. She like to wear these kind of like round like hats or whatever. This kind of feels like a little like velveteen or something, but yeah, I guess I just got a hat head. I just got a hat head. But anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing something from Coach. Your girl shop too much. Your girl need to get some control over here. I'm just not doing it. I'm just not buying nothing else for a while. I'm just saying, because I got a lot of stuff that I bought that y'all ain't even seen, that I ain't even wore yet, that I'm figuring it out. But you know, I always have objective to my shopping, just so y'all know. It always ends up coming together looking cute, cute, cute. So anyway, let me just show y'all this purse. Isn't this cute? This is my mom's purse. Look, I don't know what this is. It's kind of dirty at the bottom. It's been through it. I don't even know how old this thing is. It might be older than me, and don't worry about how old I am. I'm just saying, you know, some things are personal. But anyway, look, it's got books on here. It's got jewelry, library, zoo, gifts, fashion, boutique, bank, and antiques. It's cute, right? And then at the top, it has this, it has like a penny on it over here. And I don't know where she got this purse from. I'll have to ask her. And it's got like this little, it kind of looks like a, what you call a picnic basket. But this is who's on in here on the cover. So yeah, this is old. And in here, child, she got the casino little thing. I don't know what this ribbon is for, but this is for like the Hollywood Casino in Tunica, Mississippi, and it's got the little thing. So apparently she liked to carry this. Child, now why she got this in her purse? Don't ask me. I don't have no idea why I'm in her stuff, because I can. But anyway, I'll have to ask her. But look in the inside. It's got this like padding or whatever. So your girl might just have to, you know, bust this out one day. So don't be surprised if you see this in the future. So anyway, getting on back to the video. I'm going to have to call my mom and ask her what the heck she doing with a bullet in her purse. Like, you know, sometimes she cracked me up. But anyway, I got this little envelope here. Woohoo! And look. Oh my goodness, this is the little free gift. I don't know why I thought it was bigger than this, but you know how they throw in the free gifts. I'm not going to buy nothing else from Coach unless they got a free gift. Well, I shouldn't say that, but I'm just saying. Oh, like what is this for? Oh, maybe you could put a hook on it and make it like a key ring or something. And it has this little leather tab. Oh, it's so cute. This is just painted on. It's not even the hardware. Oh, but it looks so enticing on the website. It looks so big, like a little cosmetic bag. But it's actually small. Look at that. I would say this is about 1.5 inches. And then I would say this is about 3 inches. And it's so cute. Let me see. I think they only had this if you get a free gift. So it's called the Mini Cosmetics Blossom Multi GWP Floral. So this is a little tag that came with it. I think it's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, so let's get into the box. Let me get the blade out. I just got a lot of box. Okay. these boxes, I don't know, they get so dusty. Your girl be going crazy. Okay, let me get this one first. Now, I seen the summer girl Dazzle Me 77, and I was like, oh, I kind of like that for my, not that I need a pen case. I don't need a pen case. I mean, how many pen cases? I mean, I could see like having a few because that Culture one is kind of big. It don't fit into everything. But then when she showed this, I was like, oh, this is cute. And I like the little section in the inside. What is this called? It's called Organizer Case Signature in the color charcoal. Organizer Case and Signature. And then it has this little like section over here where you can put like pens or pads or you know, like maybe what you call them, post-it notes, the little tab ones. And then it has this section. And this, I would say, is about an inch. This is about, I would say about 5 inches or 6. You said, girl, why don't you just pull out a tape measure? Because I just want to just do an estimate. I mean, to give y'all an idea. I know, you know, I talk too much, so the video will be too long if I pull out a tape measure. But it feels like leather right here on the side. Yeah. And it has like a fabric lining. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay. Y'all know I play too much, right? Look. Oh, I know. I saw this and I have been looking at it and I know I don't need this, but I have it and I'm going to put it to good use. Now, I recently got the Dooney and Burke Greta book bag and I like it. And I've used it a few times. And I needed something more structured. And I didn't want to wear out my Florentine. I have the Florentine. What's the color is that called? It's on the tip of my tongue. But this has a little denim to it. And you see the blue chambray. And then it has the chambray on the front. And I thought that this would be a good match to it with my blue Coach denim accessories. And I like the Dooney and Burke, and I will wear that. This has the leather handles. I just felt like I needed like a couple book bags to, oh, look at these little tabs on the handle. You see, they're like leather, and they have Coach here, and the gunmetal. Yeah, I just needed something. Now, I don't know how I really like that it stops right here. The zipper stops right here. I don't know if I really like that. But this one is long, and it's only a 1 zipper. And I'm sure it has the same pull tab on it. Now, this is nice. I probably could put my iPad in here or my laptop too. And it has this little outside pocket here. So, yeah, it's very roomy. I just, the thing about the Dooney and Burke Greta that made me wanted to buy another one is I don't really care for the closure, you know, with the closure at the top with the snap. I like zippers, and I like to go zoop, zoop, you know, like zip it in and zip it out. And I don't want to be pulling a drawstring and closing it with the flap. So, but I still will wear it. I really love the book bag. I'm really happy with it. It does fit a lot. And this one has the inside zipper pocket. This has the laptop sleeve here. And then it has two front pockets here. Now, I think maybe a few of my YouTube friends may have this. I'll leave some links to their videos down in the description so you can check it out and see theirs. Because I think everybody sometimes have a different perspective on why they buy book bags. But I like to travel and I like to carry a book bag. And when I go, like, if I'm going to, let's say I'm going to a dinner at like one of my cousin's house in Chicago or something, and it's a couple hours away, I might grab my book bag and carry my accessories. So when we there just chilling, I might pull out my my laptop or my iPad, just chilling. Not that I'm ignoring the conversation or anything. It's just I like to carry certain things when I'm going to be gone for a period of time. And I like to carry a book bag to work mostly. So this is pretty lightweight. It feels like it's about 1.5 pounds or something, maybe 2 pounds. And then it has these two side pockets on here, which probably won't hold a cup. Not a cup that I have. It's got to be like maybe a bottle of water. I probably could fit a bottle of water. Oh, I have a little lotion right here, EOS. So I could put a big bottle of lotion here on the side if your girl wanted to. I mean, which seems ideal, but if you're going through the airport, I don't think you can carry a lotion this big. But yeah, so I'm really excited about this backpack, and I'm going to move in it right away. Just to try it out. It has leather at the bottom, this navy blue leather, and yeah, so that's what I got in my unboxing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned because I'm gonna do a lookbook, and I got a few other items that's coming down the pike. So your girl over here working. I mean, I got a lot of stuff. I'm busy. Your girl busy, but I'm working on making some videos for you guys, and I still got some vacation videos that I want to show you guys too. Okay, I just took my little coat scarf and I just tied it on here. I'm just about to probably repack it with some of my stuff. And I don't think I showed this, but it has a blue little Coach tag. It's just one-sided. So anyway, let me just put this on and show you guys what it looks like. I had to adjust the straps. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I think it's so cute. And it holds a lot. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's so cute, and I think my little scarf looks so cute on here. A nice little handle. This is just a cute way to wear it. So I'll probably add something else on it, but it might be a little challenging because of this, but your girl will figure it out. Because I do have a Coach black. I'm pretty sure this is Coach. Yeah, this is Coach. I probably will add this to a handle and add something to it on the outside. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna move into it and I'll show you guys. Stay tuned for more, and your girl will be back. So love you all. Peace out. Deuces.